The second pillar of marketing success is really just knowing your environment, and that's a number of things. It could be your general industry, the economic environment, but also, very importantly, your competitive environment. I think it's really common, and I hear this all the time, I don't need to worry about them, I'm better at X, right, whatever product or service. And that way may well be true. However, your customers are getting messages from these competitors. And if you want to be really great at what you do, and if you really want to truly understand them, you have to understand all of the things that they're hearing. So I like to equate this of look at the number of messages that you receive, even as a consumer on a day-to-day basis, right? On the way to work, you're listening to Spotify and there's commercials. You're seeing billboards, you're on Instagram and there's ads and influencers and all of that, right? It's such a cluttered market. So if you don't understand the greater environment that your consumer is experiencing this within, it's going to be very difficult for you to reach them with any kind of succinct message.